Hey everyone, Luluhua Plants DIY and Decor. Today, I'm taking on a special project. About 2 years ago, I bought this succulent. As you can see, I've completely neglected it. It's still in its original plastic pot and looking a little sad. So, I decided it's time for a major upgrade with a traditional Japanese twist. I'm going to turn this piece of bamboo into a natural pot for my succulent. On top of that, I'm also going to build a custom wooden stand for the pot. Stick around to see how this little guy gets a complete makeover. I think you'll love the final result. 1. The bamboo pot DIY. First, roast the bamboo with a burner. Let's cut the bamboo to the right size for our plant. I'm using an electric saw. More details are in the video description. Now that we have our piece of bamboo, we need to make it into a proper pot. I'll use a drill to create a drainage hole at the bottom. This is super important for keeping the succulent healthy. This is looking great. 2. The wooden stand DIY. Next up is the wooden stand. I've cut a couple of pieces of wood that will support our bamboo pot. I'll use some wood glue to assemble the stand. I'll make another one the same. Attach the remaining 3 in the same way. Three. The succulent transplant. Before we begin, here's today's date, indoor temperature, and humidity. September 17, 2025, 3 p.m. Location, Japan, hardiness zone 8A. The temperature outside is over 30 degrees and it's muggy. Before we start, let's take a look at our succulent. It's a bit sad, but with some care, it will bounce back. Time to gently remove the plant from its old pot. Only half the roots are there. What is the white stuff I see in the soil? Is it a scarab beetle larva? Perlite? I'm not sure, but I don't think I'll be using this soil again. Inspect the roots and leaves and cut off any dead ones. Trim the roots slightly so they will fit into the new pot. Mixing the soil. This time we will use 3 types. 1. Akadama small grain. 2. Kanuma fine grain. 3. Carbonized rice hulls. 1. Akadama small grain. 2. Kanuma fine grain. 3. Carbonized rice hulls. Mix well. Add fertilizer. We'll use Megamp K, a large grain, slow-release fertilizer for pre-planting. Putting soil into a bamboo pot. This time we will use hydroballs as the gravel at the bottom of the pot. This is a reused item used for indoor plants. Washed and boiled to disinfect. Then, I'll add fresh soil to our new bamboo pot and carefully place the succulent inside. This is the moment of truth. I'll give it a little water to help it settle in. Now, for the grand finale. Let's place the new bamboo pot onto the wooden stand. And here it is. Our once neglected succulent has a beautiful new home. I love how the bamboo and wood create a peaceful, modern style that feels natural and calm. This was such a fun project. It shows that even a neglected plant can be given a second chance with a little DIY creativity. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more projects like this. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.